Hey guys, my name is Lucas. I'm a captain of airplanes and I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. First thing you do is you fold it in half like a hot dog, down the middle. Then the next thing is you fold these two on the side like this, and make sure they're even at the bottom. And the next thing is that we will fold this part down here like this, okay? And then you fold the two corners to the lower middle so that they touch, and then this is important, where you fold the bottom part up to touch right here, and then it acts as a little holder. And then with that, you have a paper airplane. This one is a little not even, but that's okay. It'll probably still fly pretty good. And make sure you fold the wings like this so that it makes this shape. It's a good aerodynamic shape. And then you have a paper airplane.
Now before we launch it, we want to make it cool, so we add some design. And now we wait for good to win and release it into the wild. The first time may not always be good, but just pick it up and throw it again.